Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Snapchat tips and tricks. In today's video, I will show you on how to change your Snapchat app appearance or Snapchat app theme from different customization interface as the case may be. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Snapchat app. After you open your Snapchat app, go ahead and click on your profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on setting icon. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to app appearance. Go ahead and click on that. Then by default, you have all this appearance right here. This is dark theme, pink, late pink, and then the more you click on any of the theme right here, the more it's going to be reflected, just like what you see right here. So if you are satisfied with any of these right here, just go ahead and click on Get Snap. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Snapchat app like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.